Body composition analysis. Watch 4 Classic is the first smartwatch to off body composition data right on your wrist, on your own schedule. Now you can get readings on body fat, skeletal muscle, body water, basal metabolic rate, and body mass index. Better sleep starts here. Wake up feeling refreshed and recharged with advanced sleep tracking. When you go to bed, your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic sleep tracker starts monitoring your sleep and SpO2 levels continuously. Be smart about your heart. Take care of your heart with accurate ECG monitoring and keep an eye on possible atrial fibrillation, a common form of irregular heart rhythm. Share personalized readings with your doctor using the Samsung Health Monitor app on your compatible Galaxy phone. Make every workout count. Get the most out of every exercise session with advanced workout tracking that recognizes 6 popular activities, from running to rowing to swimming, automatically in just 3 minutes. Stay motivated by connecting to live coaching sessions via your smartphone or to dynamic group challenges with your friends. Go the extra mile. Improve your runs with advanced running coaching technology. VO2 max readings assess your oxygen levels to manage and track your heart and lung endurance. Google on your wrist. Tap into the power and convenience of select Google services and apps right from your wrist. Pay for coffee, get directions to the park, use Bixby or Google Assistant for help on almost any topic, stream your favorite tunes on YouTube. Extension of your phone. Galaxy Watch 4 Classic works as an extension of your phone so you can do more while on the go, talk, text, stream music and more just by tapping the watch on your wrist.